Alright, once again, I'm in the kitchen. I did a lot of cooking for everybody else and whatever. But I made my chickpea salad. But I'm gonna fry it with a little bit of oil. I have my potato bread. And I'm gonna use the grapeseed veganese. It's the vegan mayonnaise. It's better than mayo. It's egg-free, dairy-free. So I'm just gonna get a spoonful of this. I think I put too much. And put it on my bread, on my potato bread. And rub that. So, there's that. Oh yeah, let me do this other little portion since I still have vegan mayonnaise on my hand. In my skillet, I put avocado oil. That's what I'm gonna use to fry the chickpeas. So yeah, now I'm gonna get a portion of my chickpea salad and make a patty. Crap, I was trying to do it neatly. I think it's dried out even more. So, the potato bread is really big. Ah, I lost some up. I lost more chickpeas. Crap. I should add water to this. I gotta make it big enough to cover majority of my bread, or else I'm just gonna be eating potato bread. I guess I'll just flat. Ah, I'm losing pieces of my chickpeas. Okay, so there it is. My little pan, throw it on my skillet. It looks like a pancake. And I'm gonna let that fry on one side. I'm gonna put paprika on this side. Okay, so I flipped it over. It fried a little bit, but I wanted to make sure I flipped it before it fried too much. So, yeah. Flipped it on the paprika side. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna plate it. Here it is. I'm going to cover it and cut it. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like chicken meat. So now I'm going to go eat and give me some Lay's potato chips with my fresh
I forgot
cucumbers.
to tell you guys that I do put blueberries in my chickpea salad. So those are blueberries you see. That's why it looked like a pancake. So yeah, it was delicious. Don't you think, Roberto?
Yep.
It tasted good warm. So thank you guys for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.